Well, I'm going to be working on restoring some cast iron. This one here is a number 6 Wagner ware from Sydney, Ohio, a 1056T. This is a condition I got it. Someone had taken a wire brush to it and got rid of most of the rust and stuff, but I'm going to try to get that really cleaned out nicely. This is the one from my mom and dad that they've used. The inside is in good enough shape I could cook on it right now if I wanted, but the back has a lot of this built up stuff that I want to burn off. I have not found any lettering at all, so I have no idea who the manufacturer of this is. Hopefully that'll all burn off. I'll be able to find that. And then this little guy is really dirty and caked on junk, and hopefully that'll all come off as well. It's gooey enough you could peel it with your fingernails, but I don't want all that crap under my fingernails. And if I get around to it, I've also got this griddle. And the method I'm using is a fire method where you just get a fire going and just lay the stuff on there and leave it on there till all the rust and built up gunk burns off, and then you re-season it. So we'll see how it goes. I've not tried this method, but I've spent last night in Holiday Inn, so I should be able to do it. Okay, it's been in the fire for a while. It's very smoky, but this smaller one in particular, you can see the flames are actually right on all that gunked up mess that's on there. Most of the stuff, you can see the scratch marks. It started to soften up and could be knocked off easily. Probably a wire brush would work, but I'm going to let it burn some more. The bigger pan, because the inside is so nice, I'm not planning on tipping that upside down. I'm just trying to burn it off the outside. That smaller one is definitely getting nice, and a lot of that stuff is coming off. So far so good. Okay, it's only been a few minutes. That smaller pan has turned a real ashen gray. And that stuff is scraping off of there very easily. I'm not really even pushing on it. Pretty cool. Gonna keep going. Okay, as expected, this one is a Griswold. There's Erie, PA. Not sure yet about any of the markings, but if it doesn't say made in the USA, then it's at least from the 50s, because they had to start doing that in the 60s. Put it back in the fire. Okay, smaller one, 5N. Gives you an idea how deep that rust was on there. You could barely tell that there was a ring on this. Okay, I'm almost wrapping them up. This is the last of the ones. You can see there's just a little bit of seasoning left in there. I was going to leave the inside alone, but it's coming out so good. That's just the last little bit before I re-season it. Here's the little one. Since I'm re-seasoning them anyway, it's okay to use soapy water to get all that rust off, but get out here in the sun. Look at that. This is that one that was so gunked up you couldn't even see the ring, and the only marking I see on it is that 5N. That'll season up real good. It's very smooth on the inside, so It's going to be a really good cooker. And here's the Wagner. A little bit pitted on the bottom, but the inside's still got soot on it right out of the fire. I haven't rinsed that one off yet. I think this is also going to be a really good cooker. Alright. Okay, here's the after cleaning, before seasoning. There's a lot of stuff on the internet for how to season, but the method I use is a light coat of either Crisco or Camp Chef cast iron conditioner. I cook it right there for about an